Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back finally with another video. It's my first time actually doing a video being back from Jamaica because I don't know, I've been kind of in a funk. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I straighten my hair. I don't use much product in there. I guess I'll be adding some tips as I go along when I straighten my hair. Not much, just the 1-2 tips that I think are very helpful when it comes to straightening your hair and has helped me because I've always straightened my hair. I did notice when I was in Jamaica I would have it curled more than I would have it straightened because it would be so humid out there. My hair would just frizz out anyway, so I was like, let me just curl it because it'd be easier to style. So it's opposite depending on the weather. But when it comes to straightening my hair, I had it wrapped in this t-shirt for quite some time because I did not come up and film right away. I was eating and I was watching Love is Blind, so it's actually pretty late right now, but I needed to straighten it right now so that I don't have a hassle in the morning, or I'll just go straight to drying it with my blow dryer. But because I wasn't ready, I did t-shirt towel dry it, but I kind of do prefer doing it that way so that I do not put too much heat on my hair when it comes to blow drying it, because I will be putting heat on it when I straighten it. Another tip is that I don't add too much product in my hair when I am straightening it, because then it just becomes too greasy and I just don't like it, and it would be too flat. My hair would be really big when I do blow dry it and stuff. If I have too much product in it, it would just be flat on my face and it just won't be flowy, and then I couldn't style it much. I just would hate it, you know? So usually I'll have just a little bit of oil that I would put in my hair, but not today. I'm not gonna go grab it. I don't think I brought any up here today, but it doesn't really make a difference. Sometimes I add just a little, 2 drops of oil. I'll rub it in my hand and I'll put it in my hair, but my hair is not as dry today because I conditioned it really well. Look at me just yapping away before I get into the video. I'm gonna get into it right now. But I add a bit of this blowout cream. It's almost finished actually. I need to get some more of this, so I'll be like doing all of this to get the rest of it out. I don't use much of this in there because, like I said, I do not like a lot of product in my hair to begin with when I do straighten it. I'm gonna just put just a little bit of this in my hair, not much. This is how much I put in my hand right now. I might add a little bit more, but I'll just start on one side. And I love this stuff because it actually gives it a blowout effect when I use this. I just put a little bit more in my hand, not too much. Get underneath here. I like to do this. If you're really good at blowing out your hair with like the brush, the rounded brush and the blow dryer, then you'll get a nice blowout effect with this stuff. I ain't that good with that, but yeah, this cream, I just really love it when I use it. It's a lightweight cream. I love using things in my hair that are paraben free and sulfate free. My hair doesn't do well with too much chemicals. I'm just going to start blow drying it. So my hair feels pretty dry for the most part, and I don't think that I mentioned, I'm here straightening my hair and I realized that this thing also said that it provides heat, so it is a heat protectant. I don't really use heat protectant. I've actually had moments where my hair would feel like it needed it, So I would go to the store and go buy some thinking that my hair needed it, and then I would use it, but I realized that I would not use it every time that I straighten my hair. I noticed that this stuff, I gravitate towards it, and seeing that it has a heat protectant, it has just everything all in one, it always leaves my hair feeling really good. Like, it feels pretty lightweight. And sometimes when I straighten my hair, I just part it as I go, and I just use some type of like rubber band hair clip. I don't ever have like those opening clammy clips. I always just have something like this where I would just part it off, clip it up, part it off, clip it up. For me, it just goes faster that way. So I'm just gonna part and go as I normally do. I didn't even plug in my straightener yet, guys, so it's gonna take me a minute. I don't like to have both of them on, like the straightener and the blow dryer. I just feel like that's just too much going on. So I'm just gonna clip up this part. I know some people be like, that might take longer. I'm just used to doing it like this, so that's just my way. So I'm just gonna part and go, and I'm gonna use the chase method, little chase method for most of the time. I'm literally here looking at my hair just shedding, you guys. So usually my hair sheds because your girl be stressed. This doesn't really look like stress shed. I believe my stress shed looks way worse than this. So this is like an indication that my hair does need to trim, and knowing that it's going to annoy me, I'm going to end up trimming it real soon. But yeah, let me get this going. And oh, it says 410. Usually I just leave it at 400, even though that's still pretty hot. But I do want to just try to run through it one time, maybe 2 times, but even if it's twice, it's real quick. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. This is one side. It's pretty straight. Sometimes it doesn't end up being this straight because I don't have the straightener as high, but it's higher today, so it's a bit straighter, or I don't use the comb as much, but I kind of wanted it straight right now, like extra straight, so it is pretty straight right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do the other side and you'll see once it's done. Okay guys, so I finished straightening my hair. It didn't take that long. Usually when I straighten my hair, the longest it will take is about half an hour, but if you add in blow drying and washing it and everything, it usually takes around an hour. But that's like me getting in the shower and washing it and all that. But the straightening process does not take a long time because I've always been straightening my hair myself, so it's just something that I just do really quick. But I have a middle part right now, but I usually do not keep it like right in the middle. I like to part it a bit off on the side sometimes. I don't know, the middle sometimes it just gets played out. Like I do it all the time. I like to have it a bit to the side and just have it like that. Most likely I will style it in the morning, or most likely I will style it tomorrow, but sometimes I just have it part to the side and just switch it up a little bit, or I'll curl the ends, but I don't think I want to curl the ends right now. You know, I'll probably gel down the sides a bit. Like I don't just leave it straight. I like to do a little bit to it, but I don't want to add any product in it right now. The less I can add product to it, sometimes it's better, and sometimes it's better that way, and it will last longer because it will just start to build up and everything. But yeah guys, that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Also comment down below, like, do you use heat protectant? Does it work for you? And let me know your process, what you do when you straighten your hair. If it takes a long time, just, you know, just feel free to leave your comments down below. I love you guys, and until the next one, bye.